we are going to get our nails done. Kasama yung mga kids.
Hello, Ate Mia. That's too many, Ate Mia.
Yeah, I have 4.
You have 4.
Wow, you have a lot of stuffed toys.
You have a lot.
Even in Australia, I have a lot of stuff to now.
Yeah, I don't know where to put
Even in
them.
my playroom.
I don't know where to put them already.
Right.
You have already one room of toys.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hello.
Some of
Hi,
them
hello.
Kai cannot play because that's for a girl.
But it's okay. Those are for boys.
These are for boys.
Good morning, Kai.
Morning, Kai.
He's having fun. Look at I share with
Morning,
Kai
Kai.
Yeah.
Good mood kita sa bunga.
Mhm.
Daw good mood kita kaya.
Ah, thank
Why
you.
kita magurahab sa bunga.
Ibugta ko lang gani sa. Kay tulog pa sa. Pero nag-ibibi man sa gamay pagbugtaw ko.
Mommy, Kai's so happy.
We're back in the car. We're back in the car. We're in the car. Busy si Kai. Oh, ginising ko lang to. Oh, kasi tulog pa.
Mommy,
Ah,
Kai's really happy playing with them.
yeah. And ate to. Ginising ko lang to si ate. Kasi tulog pa sila ni Kai talaga. No, what time na ba? Mag-alas 12 na nang. Ay, alas 12 na. 12:06 na. Late din kasi sila natulog kagabi. What time did you guys sleep? Ikaw late na, ikaw natulog.
Can I do my nails too?
Ano? Bakong yun, basta magpa-nails man sa.
Can I do my nails again?
You want to get your nails done too?
Yeah.
Parang may space sila eh.
I love doing my nails because look, they're all gone.
Yeah, because you you keep biting them.
So I will do them. Okay, please.
You want to get your nails done?
Yeah.
Yeah, but when the lady do your nails, can you not move?
Yeah. I can stay steady like this. I'll show you.
Para siya sa mood subong. Sa mood si Kai subong. Wala na bihis si Kai diretso na. Diretso na. Kung ano ang iyong pantulog Ano kay na? Okay man kaya diretso na ya. Para diretso na takay. Napi na lang. No. Okay man niya kay mo pantulog ya kay panglakat man na ya kay. No kay no. Di man ni pajama ya kay. Panglakat man niya kay. No. Gabi mo 1-year-old naman baby in 1 week. Aba, 1-year-old na ikaw. Oh, very good na kay Kagago.
Mommy, when it's Kai's birthday, is Daddy gonna come?
Daddy's already in Manila. Daddy's already in Manila, in the airport. But Daddy will stay there for a few days. Because Daddy will play with Tito said, Uncle said.
A few days is so quick.
Mm-hmm.
And how many days are we gonna live here?
How many days? More pa. Maybe 1 week pa.
But you know, Daddy said when he's gonna come here. I know how many days are left for him to come. There's only like 4 days. No, it's 3 days.
No, 26, 27, in 3 days, Daddy will be here.
Yeah, I said 3 days.
Mm-hmm.
Right?
Yung kinaon mo na naman na. Yay! Here, my love, oh. It's still going. It's still going. Hey, Doon ka na naman makadong. Mangukay ka na naman ay, dinay mo shoes. Dito kami sa SM.
Hello.
Ayan na si Mia. Oh. Si Kai Kai ayaw na umupo. Okay lang siya dito ng mga shoes. Oh. Nakapag na shopping na ako ng sandal, guys. Ang ganda ng sandal. Sana yun. Ayun. Si Ate Per po may pili-pili din. Parang ito ata. Pero medyo higher. Yeah, medyo higher dito. Ito yung design.
Hello.
Maganda siya.
Hello.
Parang ito ata yung pinili ko. Hala, nangukay ka na dyan. Oh, be careful. Yeah, parang ito. Ganda.
Honey.
Hindi niya na alam ang gagawin niya. Oh, masuntok. Oh. Nag-ABC na yung isa. Wala na siya. Wala na siyang patience. Wala na. Magpapanius pa kami. Kaya lang punong-puno. Tawagan daw kami, guys. Wala na talaga.
Abu. Abu.
Kaya yo, mayari pala. Meron sila dito, guys. Oh, ito yung masarap din. 89 pesos. 50. Meron din yung snow flavor. Meron din sila nito. Oh. Ang gusto dito ng mga bata eh. Senbei. Pero na flavor to. Wala, rice crackers. Kaika really likes the breadsticks, so we're gonna get breadsticks for him. Tsaka si Ate Mia. Saan yung breadstick nila? Can you find the breadstick, Ate? Oh no, there's no breadstick. Parang dito ko yung kinuha. Or sa kabila. Baka nandito. Mia, sit down properly. Hala, ito. Ay, ito pala. Yan. Meron pala silang isang pack. Ito ba yun? Yeah. Kasi last time, nakumuha ako. Wala akong nakitang ganito. Now they have. I'll get 2. Ito ni Kai. Parehas lang. Ito lang yung binili ko last time. O, tigil sa isa. Ganito. Naubos na ni Kai. Yeah, ito na yung mga sandal na bili natin. Ano pa? Bumili din ako Marie, pero hindi pa yun nakain ni Kai. Nandito kami sa Pueblo. Ano tawag mo eh? Monte Vista. Dito sa lupa namin. Magsa-site visit tayo. Ay, dito na? Ha? Pwede manda na? Ay, tulog si Kai. Kaulan? Wala na. Tara na?
Basta lang, be?
Kai is tulog. Andun daw yung lupa, guys. Kaya lang, ang layo ng lalakarin mo. Doon sa may poste. Diba? Hindi ko kaya. Kawig ko si Kai. Hindi may sakit tiil ni Papa. Sakit dati ili, Papa. Who?
Mommy, does it feel scary?
Oh, you can walk na. Daddy Luz, ouchie. Ay, dito daw tayo banda. Basta dito, guys. Yan, ayan yung City Hall, oh. Ayan. City Hall. And then, nandito naman sa kabila yung Capitol. Sana. Ayun. Dumilim. Ayun. Ayun, oh. Yan yung Capitol. You can see it. You can see it from here. Ayan, Capitol. Doon daw tayo banda. Ah. Yung dalawa, tingnan nyo guys. Grabe naman talaga ang traffic. Ano na to? Ano na. Nagpabook kami ng nails at 4 p.m. And 4:19 na guys. Sa sobrang traffic.
We get the rope off, guys. Get the rope off.
Now, I don't know what time we can go. We finish. Mabilis naman na guro ang pagpa-nails. Ito lang naman akin, no? Yung kamay ko guys, ang haba na ng kuko ko. Wala na talaga siyang kulay. Kinuha ko na lahat. Ang dalawa nagbaybahayan na dito.
We're playing together.
Kamusta kayo dyan, Kai? Okay naman kayo dyan, Kai? Abang. Ano na, Rojas City. Today is 26. So, balik work na yung mga tao kasi parang off nila kahapon, Christmas. Wala na ding mga pasok, Wala nang school. Oh my gosh, this is my school before when I was in elementary. This is my school, yeah.
That's your school.
That is my school.
Cool.
Yeah.
How do you get in?
There's a gate there. You can get in.
How do you get in there?
There's a gate there.
I know the gate. I know that we get in from the gate. But how do we get into the room?
You walk inside the room. That's how easy it is.
Huh?
You walk
Then where's the door?
inside. There's so many rooms inside. You can't see because you're outside. But once you get inside, you can see all the rooms. You can just
I'm
see
gonna go inside.
No. Hey, what are you doing with your brother? Batchoy guys, dito sa Popoy's Batchoy. Hindi na kami nagpa-nails kasi wala nang available. Tsaka may oras kaming hinahabol. Tingnan mo to si Mia, pinagagawa. Si Kai gusto din yung Batchoy, oh. Yeah! Come on, eat na ate. Mia, the floor is dirty, you know? Hello, back in the car. Tapos na kami kumain ng batchoy. Hindi man lang kami nakapag-nails, guys. Ganun pa din ang nails. But that's okay. We're going home na kasi yung Christmas party. May Christmas party kami pala 6 p.m. So we have to get changed and hopefully they wrap the yung isang natirang jackpot present. Kasi each family merong isang jackpot.
Excuse me, Mommy.
Yes.
Do you know if your life is very good, then everybody will subscribe to your video. And then if they subscribe, then you're gonna get a lot of presents to like and subscribe to your whole video.
I don't know what you're talking about.
Kami sponsor.
So, ayun, sa whole, each family has one jackpot, pero sa family namin, we have 2 jackpots. Kasi minsan na kami magkiki-join sa, minsan na kami nandito sa Rojas to to join the Christmas party, the annual Christmas party of the Arroyo family. Ito yung Christmas party ng Arroyo family sa side ng mama ko, guys. So, like every year talaga meron silang Christmas party. Depende din kung nag-agree yung mga ibang family. So, ayun, this year, sama kami kasi nandito kami. And it's gonna be a lot of fun later. So, ayun, doon kami pupunta later. Kailangan na namin umuwi kasi 6 p.m. daw. So, yung mga binili naming jackpot, guys, for this Christmas party is from SNR. Pumunta kami ng SNR, diba? So, doon namin siya nabili. Hindi ko alam kung nag-vlog ako nun, pero I think I did. Kasi sa Iloilo kami nun eh. So, yun. Bumili kami doon kasi naka-buy one, get one free sila. Super mura. Pati yung may mga chocolates din ata na buy one, take one. Oh, yeah. Do you agree, Kai? Yeah. Andun na
I agree too.
Yeah, doon na din kami bumili ng aming pang manito. Pang exchange gifts ba? So, hala, I did it for that. For the kids pala. Hindi ko pa na-wrap. Yung pang kids gali. Yung dalawang ano dun. Sige lang, mabilis lang man naguro. Mailis lang man ko. Mailis lang man sila. Yes, nakalimutan ko i-wrap. Kasi kagabi, nag-start na kami mag-wrap. Kaya lang kulang yung wrapper. So, bumili pa kami kanina ng wrapper dun sa groceryhan. Sa SM. And pinadala. Kasi nakita ka kami ni na mama dun sa lupa natin dun. Sa Pueblo. So, pinadala ko sa kanila yung wrapper. Para at least ma-start nila wrap yung jackpot prize ba? Na isa. Who will get our jackpot prize? Ha? Who do you think? Will you join to the games? Yeah, bunot-bunot man. Paano if our jackpot is big, we cannot bring it to ano? Maybe we'll leave it here lang. Yeah. I-store na naman natin. And maybe it'll take fun. Charot. We can use it next time. Then we go back. Galing hindi man natin kailangan. Pangatag na lang. Ayan, pauwi na tayo. Kanina traffic dito. Ito yung hospital. Merong nakabangga ng kotse. Tsaka yung tricycle. Uy! Hello, we're done. So yung sa amin, puro white kami, guys. Pero parang naka-cream ko. Si Mia naka-white. Naka-cream din ata siya. Yan. And then just shorts na white. Si Kai, tingnan nyo. Oh. Saan na bumabanda ang batang to? Tingnan mo yung black niya, puro white na.
Ano? Black niya?
Black na pants. Puro white na. No! Si ate nag-nail cutter.